guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmine again, and today's video is very simple video. This is my morning breakfast video. So I'm going to show you what breakfast I have. So this breakfast is almost everyday breakfast what I have, and this is my all-time favorite. I can never get bored of this breakfast. Some people think that, oh, that's so boring even to see, you know, but then it's very tasty. This is my opinion. For some people it might not be tasty, but then I definitely love this breakfast and I can have it on a daily basis. So I just keep changing the fruits and veggies sometimes. Like today I'm using broccoli, sometimes I use some French beans or asparagus or carrots, something like that. I just try to change it. And on weekends I don't have this breakfast. I'll eat something like upma, poha or dosa, something like that. So this is my daily breakfast. I thought let me share it with you guys, so that if you want to try this breakfast you can definitely try it. So without further ado, let's begin with the video.
We can get high because we're gone. I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go.
So the first thing that I'm doing is one brown bread. This is a multigrain brown bread. So I'm using this bread, just one slice of this, and I have my egg white ready here. So this is 2 egg whites, so I'll be using this for my omelette. And I've also chopped some broccoli, so I'll be adding broccoli and stir frying this. So let me just roast my bread just to make it a bit crispy, and I'm not adding any ghee or butter to this because this is a healthy breakfast, right? Now I'm heating some water. My current favorite green tea is this Japanese green tea. I love the flavor of this. It's not bitter as well. So as you start drinking this, you'll get used to this. So this is really nice. You should definitely try if you're getting this one. So my water is hot. Now here to the hot pan, I'm adding this 1 spoon of oil. 1 चम्मच डालूंगी मैं ऑयल का, और उसमें ये ब्रोकली डाल दूंगी. अब इसको स्टर फ्राई करना है. इतना यमी रहता है ये खाने में. जस्ट अ बिट ऑफ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट ऐड करूँगी इसमें. थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट टेस्ट के लिए, एंड ब्लैक पेपर ऑल्सो. सो ये मेरे ब्रोकली ऑलमोस्ट डन लग रहे हैं अभी, तो इसको मैं अभी प्लेट में निकाल लूँगी. थोड़ा सा ऐसे चाट वाला फ्लेवर मुझे अच्छा लगता है इस पर. तो अभी मेरे ब्रोकली डन है. तो अभी मैं एग वाइट का ऑमलेट डालूंगी. जस्ट 1 टेबलस्पून ऑफ ऑयल अगेन. सो अभी इसमें ऑयल डल चुका है. नाउ आई एम गोना ऐड दिस एग वाइट. इसके ऊपर मैं थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट स्प्रिंकल करूंगी एंड सम रेड चिली पाउडर. ब्लैक पेपर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट आई लव द फ्लेवर ऑफ रेड चिली पाउडर ऑन दिस. सेम ऑयल में मैं सेकेंड वन भी फ्राई करूँगी, तो मैं एक्स्ट्रा ऑयल नहीं ऐड करूँगी. तो ये मेरा एग वाइट ऑमलेट रेडी है. इसको आपको बीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो बस ऐसे ही आप बस एग वाइट को डाल दीजिए, बिकॉज़ ऐसे ही डालने से इसका फ्लेवर बढ़ता है. जब आप एग वाइट को फेंटते हो तो वो ज़्यादा फोमी बन जाता है, तो मुझे वो उसका फ्लेवर अच्छा नहीं लगता है. एंड सेकेंड साइड मैं ज़्यादा फ्राई नहीं करूँगी. तो ये है मेरा ऑमलेट रेडी। तो मैं सेकेंड ऑमलेट डालकर आपसे मिलती हूँ। सो मेरी ग्रीन टी तैयार है एंड दिस इज माई ब्रेकफास्ट। वेरी हेल्दी चॉइस, राइट? After that egg breakfast, I'm gonna make smoothie out of all these fruits. So this is the green apple. It looks something like this, but I've peeled off the skin because there is too much of wax in the skin, and then I've only kept the pulp. This is one whole green apple, and this is one green kiwi, and this is one orange, and I'll be adding only the juice of this orange, pure juice. And these are some blueberries, and this is 1 spoon of honey. This is a pure honey, so I'll blend all this together and make a smoothie out of it now. This is the smoothie that I'll be having now. You can see nice color and really healthy. So guys, if you have liked this video, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and share it among your friends. See you again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.